right?
No, I don't think it's up to there.
Yeah, look at the guys. No, you need to go
Oh
straight.
my freaking gosh. I just want to get out of here. What is he doing? Oh my god, his car.
Guys, I'm going to have to tell my sisters and stuff not to come in, aren't I?
Yeah.
I think we'll
Yeah.
do this. Oh my god, the
I think we
just
should
wanna
go
get
back
out
to
of
your
here.
house.
How do I get out?
Go straight.
Yeah, I know, but I want to do it now because this intersection, I'll be here for like 5 minutes.
You can't do that.
You can't do it now because it'll cause something worse.
I know. Oh my god, look. That's going to be us.
No, it's not.
If we go straight, we'll be right because it's not very deep.
Oh, do you know what? Straight up. Look,
Yeah.
because it's high ground. And maybe we just hold off till then. We'll just see if there's a cafe or something up here.